how to sign into Xbox app. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can sign into your Xbox app. So to sign into your Xbox app, you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store to download it. After you have successfully downloaded your Xbox app on your mobile device, then you have to open up your app on your mobile device. Then after that, you have to go for sign in. So here on the sign in, you have to pick up a Microsoft account to sign in and go for continue. So here you have to choose how you look on Xbox and you have to type on gamer tag and go for let's go. Here you can see that I have been signed into my Xbox app with the help of my Microsoft account and click on let's go. Go for next and let's go for next. Here you can find your friend through the Steam link. So here you can explore your app from here. You can search from here. You can add your friend from here. Here is the home option and this is your profile. So that's the process how to sign into your Xbox app. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.